Namaste. I'm Ade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. Let's talk about Pythagoras, and more specifically, the Pythagorean similar triangle theory. You see, Pythagoras was a philosopher, an early scientist, if you will, a spiritual scientist from the ancient times. And he discovered that if he took a string and tightened it and strummed it, it created a musical sound. If he took that string and divided it in half, it made the same sound. Each divided half made the same sound, but just a higher pitch, 1 octave specifically higher than the original sound. So he related this to music, and he found that there are ratios, differences in musical notes. If you take that string and fold it into a triangle, now we can see that a shorter string produces a smaller triangle, but a higher pitch, and a larger triangle produces a different or lower pitch, a lower sound. So the sounds are related, the triangles are related, and yet they are different. So it seems that even though there are differences, the similarities in vibration follow the law of correspondence. As above, so below. As below, so above. Now, this is just the beginning of our talk, our discussions of Pythagoras. If you are into Pythagoras, type Pythagoras in the comments below if you know anything about Pythagoras. I'd like to hear your understandings in the comments below. If you want to know more about Pythagoras, type Pythagoras in the comments below. So now, as we look at correspondence, we now can see the relationship between the Pythagorean similar triangle theory and the Hermetic principle of correspondence, which in its simplest form states as above, so below, as below, so above, meaning the law applies on each level. So it applies, but in different magnitudes. For instance, we here on the earthly plane, we have an energetic field and we have certain understandings. We're able to see into a certain amount of the future, maybe even see a certain distance, but we are limited by our physical presence. Whereas higher dimensional beings are able to see further into our realm, wherein they cannot see as far into the higher realms. They can see through the physical realm because they are at a higher elevation as above. They can see below. But since they are also below that which is above them, they cannot perceive that. Yes, I know it's hard to understand, but angels, archangels, heavenly host, these beings have a limit to their knowledge, even a finite existence. Any case, if this is something that you're into, this is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. This is a Lightworker tutorial channel, a channel all about esoteric science. Go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Like and share this video. Go ahead, let's give it a like right now. Let's see if we can get this up to 50 likes. Let's see if we can share it with at least one of our social media groups. And then we'll help others beyond what we are able to even understand. If you want to reach me directly, you can get me at Instagram, on Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn at Ade, and on Facebook at the Golden Circle Movement Group. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.